How to fix Messenger? You cannot message this account now. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. First of all, head into the Google Play Store. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. After you do that, simply go to the very Messenger application, or you can simply go to the settings and app and choose your Messenger. Also go to the I section, storage. When you see, just tap there, tap on clear data and clear cache, and after you do that, now you can simply open the Messenger application. So when you open your Messenger application and still you find some of the chats that you cannot message, then what I suggest you do is go on the three vertical lines on the top left side and scroll down up until you see the very option of restricted messages. When you tap on there, you will see all the restricted messages right there and requests as well. If you want to text the very person, then you can simply unrestrict them and also accept the request. This way it won't be shown anymore. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.